Now, yes, yes, thank you. Yes, see, 1 minute work, okay? That does everyone see a picture on the screen? Screen is visible. Hello, does everyone see a picture on the screen? Yes, flow chart. Thank you. Thank you. Had your lunch? Had your lunch? No, take it. Huh? This is for you all. Today's topic. Yeah, enjoy this today. Okay, 19 are there. 2 more minutes. Okay, I will start today's topic. Don't worry. Very important topic. Today we are going to complete both. Okay. Huh. Yes. Thank you. Pranav joined. Purvik also. Yes. 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 Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay. Hope everyone is ready for today's lesson. Okay. A very interesting topic we are going to revise today. Very good. Very good. Already 20 participants joined. Very good. Very good. I am ready. Don't worry. Okay. I am ready with everything. We will finish only two topics. 5 marks questions today. Grammar part, writing skill. Okay. Writing skill. Today, writing skill. Okay. Regarding writing skill. Okay, Lekhak joined. Okay, thank you, thank you. Yes, 2 more minutes. I will start. Okay, it's already those who joined for them. Okay, hot burger is there. Please enjoy this. Those who joined now. Shall we start? 20. Yes, 20 participants are there. Shall we start now? On yes. Which topic we are going to revise today? Topic. Which topic we are going to revise? Hello. Yes. Yes. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Which topic we are going to revise today? Note making and speech writing. Good. Both are a writing skill. Okay. Both are a writing skills. ಇದನ್ನ writing skill ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. Reading skill, writing skill, LSRW, listening skill. Okay. 4 important skills are there in English. Total 4 important skills are there in English. Let me explain in short. Okay. I won't take your more time. Just for your kind information. Four important skills. Four important skills. Four important skills. What is the problem then? 1 minute, pencil. Yes. Four important skills. Okay. In English language. See there. First one is L. Second one is S. Third one is R. Fourth one is W. L stands for, S stands for, R stands for, W stands for. Say LSRW. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Okay. See LSRW. This is a short form of those four skills. L means listening skill. LISTENING. Very good. Listening skill. Okay. Then second one is speaking skill. Speaking skill. Third one is reading skill. Reading skill. Fourth one is a writing skill. Very good. Total there are see, this will help for your competitive exams also. Okay. Okay, very good. See, my dear children, one important thing. Okay, see here. Yes, very good, very good. Listening, speaking, reading, and writing. These are the four important skills. Okay, in English language. Now, see, you know that the child means the infant baby. It will start his speaking skill. How it will start its speaking skill? First, it will listen. ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಕೇಳತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಅಮ್ಮ ಅವ್ರ ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿ ನೋಡು ಅಂತ ಅಪ್ಪ 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 ಅಂತ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಲಿಸನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ದ ಟೀಚರ್ is teaching in the class, or it may be online class, or it may be a offline class, face to face, whatever is there, or it may be your audio, okay, or video, whatever is there, first you should listen properly, then only it will store in your mind. Okay, you should keep your concentration properly. See there, listening skill is the first basic skill in the English language. If you did not listen properly, you can't express, you can't read, you can't write also. First you should listen it. Sariyagi kelskondre all three skills will work out. Very good, very good. Okay, see the second skill is speaking. When the child will listen, when child, what will happen? Will listen dad, or it may be mom or appa amma anta, it will start to speak, it will start to imitate. Imitate is nothing but a speaking. After some time what will happen? It will start to read in the newspaper, or it may be on the posters, or it may be on the banners. Okay, wherever it will get some letters, it will start to read. Last thing is the writing skill is last. Writing skill is last. So the main thing, you should focus on the listening skill first. If you listen, these three skills will work out in exams. Okay, shall we start now? Enough. Okay, 23 participants are there. Am I audible, my dear children? Yes, thank you. I will start today's topic. We have planned to complete the two topics today. That is, one is regarding burger. Tell me now, burger is related to which skill? Example for, yeah, try it. Let us see. Today we are going to learn the two topics. One is speech writing, and one more is flow chart. Nothing but a report. Yeah. Eating. Oh, eating skill. Very good, Dhanush. Eating skill. I am not going to teach today eating skill. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. One more thing is left. That's all. Somebody answer it. Learning skill. No, today, Apeksha, we are going to complete two skills. See, One is two topics today. One is speech writing. One more is flowchart. Nothing but a report. Avedrally, for what I am going to give this burger example. This topic. On which topic? Okay. Right answer. Nobody has given here. Right answer is okay. Speech writing. Speech writing. Speech writing. Dhanush. Right answer is speech writing. Amulya. Okay. Without wasting your time, I will start today's topic. I will share the screen. First, let me know visible or not. Okay. Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Is it visible? Yes. My voice is audible. Both at a time we want now. So that is the reason I'm asking you. I'm audible. Yes. Screen. Yes. Both are visible. Both are working now. Okay. Shall we start today's topic now? See, my dear children. Good afternoon to one and all. Welcome back to English online class. Let us learn today the writing skill of English language, that is speech writing. Then question will come in your mind, how to deliver effective speech. How to deliver effective speech. Well, let me tell you or share you to how to write an effective speech in your board exam, because you are in second year PUC, you are going to write a board exam. Okay. Now let me consider, in your exam you are answering question 33. Let me ask one question first. What is the question number of speech rating in your board exam? Question number, very good. Who's that? Meghana. Yeah. Question number 33 is right answer. Now Dhanush HR, question number 27 is direct and indirect speech. Beta, hello. Yes, my dear. Question number 27. Yes. Okay. 33 is the speech rating. Okay. 33 is the speech rating. See, just consider you are answering the question number 33, as you all familiar that question number 33 you have to attend that internal choice is there. Either you have to write speech writing or flowchart, or nothing but a report. So now I will brief you how we have to write the speech writing in an exam. This speech is called as an oral speech. Speech andre oral anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ actually. Speech is called oral speech. This is a form of one communication, but if we have to make a good speech, it is very essential to draft or to write out the speech very well before you commence on the stage or off the stage. Stage in ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ, when you start the speech, it should be, your draft should be ready. ಬರವಣಿಗೆ ready ಇರಬೇಕು. Yes. But considering the type of questions that appear in the exams, then what type of questions will appear in exam? My dear children, what type of questions you are going to get in the exam? Let me write those types of questions first here. Okay. What type of questions that appear in the board exam in question number 33 on speech writing? On speech writing, mainly there are 4 types of questions will appear. Okay. Usually the questions either is it visible? Yes. Anyone? Either related to introducing chief guest. Introducing chief guest. This is the one. Otherwise, one more type, we have the welcome speech. We have the welcome speech. Okay. Then the third type, or we are expected to write vote of thanks, vote of thanks, vote of thanks, vote of thanks, or it may be a speech, it may be a speech on talk, or an issue, or an issue. Okay, see there, these are the usually questions will appear in exams. These are the 4 types of questions will appear in your board exam. See, the first one is introducing your chief guest. Okay, all the biodata they will print in your question paper of the chief guest. Okay, it will come in printed, no need to worry. The second one is welcome speech. It is a dead easy. You will get the points to write a welcome speech. You should know to draft it, that's all. Third one is to write vote of thanks. Okay, somebody, the chief has arrival for your annual function, or it may be sports. You are giving the vote of thanks to that personality. The fourth one is speech on talk or an issue. Talk or it may be or an issue means anything, a topics. For example, okay, just imagine you are going to give a topic on road safety, road safety, road safety. So what my suggestion is, you're in home, please daily update with the newspapers, COVID-19, or it may be a road safety, or it may be a pollution. Okay, general knowledge should be to attend this question in exam. These are the 4 okay types of speech rating which will appear in your exam. Next, my dear students, now the question is how to handle this speech writing activity. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ. When you start to write the speech in exam, the first and foremost, you have to begin with, I will take black only. Okay, you have to begin with what? Begin with what? Let me see who will answer this question. Okay, 28 participants are there today. More participants are there. Very good. Tell me the answer. You have to start your speech with what? Answer me. Hello. Introduction. You will introduce yourself. First, let me write. Very good, very good. Sai Darshan is right. Your answer is right, man. First, that is greetings. First one is greetings. Very good, Sai Darshan. You have to begin your speech with greetings. Greetings. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning to one and all who are present over here. Okay. Some of them you are okay participated on some events and given already the speeches. Okay, that is greetings. First one is greetings. After this you have to address the audience. Address, ADDRE, address the audience. Audience, what does it mean? You are going to welcome the audience to this function. Houdalva, you have given your valuable time. Thank you so much for coming on time. You can say anything, means they should get impressed by you. Next, the third thing is introducing the task. Introducing the task. Task means what? your question. Task means your question. Task means your question. Whether that question is on welcome speech, welcome, or the question is related to topics, means any issues. Already I told you the topics. It may be on the road safety or pollution or population, okay, COVID-19 or the traffic rules, any, okay. Very good. Then after this introduction, it will be followed by the important points. Always keep in your mind. Important points means which points, sir? Important points means the points which given in your question paper, given already, which is printed, given in your question paper. If you read the full question of the speech rating, neatly ನೀವು ಓದಿದನ್ನ, they will give what line? Yes, very good. If you read that question paper, you will understand. Include all those points in your answer, in your speech rating. Include andre compulsory, you should include all the points which they had printed or given, okay, related to that topic. After including all those points, you compulsory, the must and should, you should underline those points, okay. Next one, the one more very important thing is, you may use some quotes, okay, good quotes which you are inspired, which related to the day. Hodalva? For example, suppose if you are giving a speech on just imagine if you are giving speech on what, 1 minute. Just imagine you are giving speech on Teachers Day. ನಲ್ಲಿ speech ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Tell me someone, any one quote which is related to this quotes, any one quote. Let us see whose answer will touch the today's topic. Just imagine you are writing a speech on Teachers Day. Amulya, Darshan, then who? Pranav, Manasa. Answer it. Abhi, Beur, answer man. Okay, give me any one quote which is related to Teachers Day. See, you may use some important quotes in the beginning or at the end. It is not mandatory you should use, but if you use the impression of your speech, you will get the, yes, very good. You should use some quotes. Answer me. Am I audible? First you tell me, am I audible or not? Yes. This one you will answer me first. I know. Yes sir. Then what is the answer? Bhumika, Apeksha, then Dhanush, all, Abhishek. Okay, I will write. Okay, I will write, no problem. One, as per my knowledge, I will write one thing. Okay, let us see you will agree with this or not. Students, need a happy teacher, not a perfect teacher. What's your opinion? Enantira? The best teacher teach from the heart, not from the books. Very good, Amulya. Your quotation is also very nice. Yeah. As per me, yes, Amulya, that's very good. Very good. Yes, teacher needs students. Teacher should teach from the heart, not from the books. Means they should not depend on books. They should update themselves. Okay. Amulya, so which one that is? Teacher should teach from heart, not from books. Very good. Means the teacher should collect. What does it mean? The teacher involvement we need in the teaching anta. Haudalva? Not involvement in the books. Books ಇವತ್ತಿರತ್ತೆ ನಾಳೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Hardly the teacher teaches, what will happen? The student will get impressed in the class. The same thing mine also. Students need a happy teacher always in the class. Okay, students need a happy teacher. If the class is noisy also, houdalva, or overcrowded, whatever it is there, always gives a smile towards the students. Means these things you should write in the speech writing. Okay, very good, very good. Yes, next one, my dear children, the last one. You should always try to convey the good message, convey the good message to the audience. ಕುಂತವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅವತ್ತು ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ? ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಸಮ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಗಿವ್ ಸಮ್ ಗುಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಆರ್ ಗಿವ್ ಸಮ್ ಗುಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್, okay, on this day to inspire our students, our college students. These things you will request to the chief guest. Okay, very good. See, I will share the screen. Let me share you some important is it visible? The questions which appeared in the previous question paper, you can see here. Okay, learning to write a speech is straightforward, my dear children. That's what you are going to learn today. Learning, okay, to learn quickly, bega kalibeku andre ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You should go slowly. Very good. This is if, suppose if today you started to learn this speech, I request you, please take your own name. Okay, I know there are well advertisement which says 5 minutes is enough to complete the speech writing or to learn the speech writing. It is not for us, for those who are perfect in the speech. Okay, the foundation of good speech writing is your speech should sounds good. Okay, first one, if you want to get the 5 out of 5 marks in the exam, the one thing is what? You should practice more. Houdalva, you should practice more. This is regarding Kannada Rajyotsava. Kannada Rajyotsava dedu. Okay, this speech is on Kannada Rajyotsava. You should not neglect any events which will happen in your school ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. See, my dear students, the foundation of speech writing, ಒಂದು ಗುಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಇರಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಗುಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್, ಗುಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ these steps you should follow. Which steps? Your speech should sound good. Sound good ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, your words, what you are going to use in your speech. Second one is practice more. Okay, only you are listening. From 2 weeks we are not face to face, we are not in offline, we are online. Only you are listening, means the first work you are doing, the language skill in a first work ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ, listening. Listen ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ speaking ಆಗಬೇಕು. Speaking means what? Whenever you are alone, at least you should try to speak out yourself. Very good, very good. Practice more to get good marks. Okay, practice more to get good marks. Third one is, the more it is used, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀತಿರೋ, it will become easier for you. Otherwise it will become tougher during exam days. Very good. If you are very hurry, sir bala easy sir, very hurry, no. Okay, as I said earlier, to learn quickly, what you should do? Quick ಆಗಿ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ what you should do? Very good, you should go slowly, you should go slow. Very good. Then the main important points you should remember while you are writing speech is, to whom you are going to write a letter, to whom you are writing. You are writing, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಕಲ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ Then how long it needs to be? How long? How long? This preparation should do now only. One page baribeko, 2 pages, so 3 pages on. Okay. For our board exam now, we are going to write 1.5 page the speech writing. Okay. This you should know. If you do the practice of writing 1.5 page, okay, it will become easier for you. Next one. After writing, you should overview ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Overview of speech outline. Okay. Stress, how much stress you are given on the topic. Okay. Last one is, see, suppose just imagine, okay, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು sir, I will adjust and write sir. Okay. Starting to write without thinking your speech. Sir, ಹೆಂಗೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಜರ್ನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಜರ್ನಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ, ಯಾರೋ ಬಂದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೋಪ್ಪ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ನಾಟ್ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾಟ್ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನೇಷನ್, ದೆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಗುಡ್. Okay, before you begin to write, let us briefly look at what you are aiming to prepare. Only shortcut I will tell you. You are waiting for shortcuts. I know my children will wait for only shortcuts. This is my shortcut of speech writing. Only three steps. Okay. Format of simple speech writing, good speech writing. First one is an introduction. Mine is introduction. Second one is the body of the speech. Very good. The third one is an ending. ENDING. See there, here the greetings over, introduction over, everything over. What is the body then? What is the meaning of the body of the speech? Body of the speech means the bulk of the information. Bulk of information related to your topic. Understood all of you? Bulk andre eno? Give me the answer. Hello, ಈಗ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. ಹಾ, ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮೀ. ಈಗ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ಏನ್ ಸರ್ ಬಹಳ ಕೊರಿತೀರಾ ಅಂತ? ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಬಲ್ಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂತ. ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಅದು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, we are on our topic now. Very good. More quantity. Very good. More ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಇಷ್ಟ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಸರ್ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಯಾರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೊಡಿ ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ, the first one is introduction. Second one is the body. Body means the bulk of information you are going to write in your speech. That is large. That is more information. The third one is an ending part. My dear children, very good Anupama. Just imagine, if you think the speech as an burger. ನೋಡಿಗ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ? ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್, ಬಾಡಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್. ನೆನಪಿರ್ಲಿ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಅವರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್. INTROD, introduction. Very good. This is our third one. Which one? Third one, which one? Which is third one? Ending. Bulk anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ ಇಷ್ಟತ್ತು? Very good. Bulk means what? This one full. Very good. Bulk means what? This is what? Body. Very good. Just imagine now. Imagine, my dear children, the opening and the imagine. Okay, imagine. Bada imagine ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ ತಿನ್ನೋದು. Imagine. Very good, Anupama. See now, this is the 3. Speech writing means what should be there? The upper layer, ending layer, and the body. Means introduction, body, and the ending. Very good. See now, the opening and the ending or the slices are bread. ಇವೆರಡು ಕೂಡ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎರಡು ಬ್ರೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ. ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್, ಇವೆರಡು ಕೂಡ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾವೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? ಬಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಗೆ. ಎಸ್, both the bread slides are holding this. Yes, 1 2 3 anna. See, 3 and 1 are holding this 2. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದೇ ಅದು ಟೂ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿ ingredients. Now the choice is yours, my dear children. Okay, whether you serve the good cook. Okay, this is what, this is your audience. ನಿಮ್ಮ audience like ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ the body of the speech should be a good. Outer look is good. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ, introduction is good. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ you won't score out marks. ಇದು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಗರ್, what you should fill, you should fill the good and the quality one and the fresh one. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Very good. You should fill the good one, quality one, then only Abhishek. Very good. Okay, now it depends on you. Okay, it depends on you whether you serve the good cook, serve the good burger, or it may be a yours choice. So with them in mind, let us prepare a good speech like this. Okay, you should prepare a good speech. Good speech is written for whom? Let me see now. Ishtadu gottaitu, ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Good speech is written for whom? ಬನ್ನಿ ಈಗ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಗೆ. Good speech is written for whom? Good speech, very good. Good speech is for speaker or audience. What is the answer? What is the answer? 2-in-1 option you take. Let me see how many of them they will answer this question. Hello. Yes, actually the good speech is for audience. You should write a good speech for audience. Always remember, always keep in your mind that the speech you are going to deliver on stage or you are going to write, that is for the evaluator, not for you. Sir, bala chana bardini sir speech ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ನಾನು ನೀವು ಇಬ್ರು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ there is no use. The audience should get impressed by your speech. The evaluator should get impressed by your speech. Means ನೀವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಂತ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ತುಂಬ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ, that is very important. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? What you are going to fill in your speech. Okay, let us 2 more minutes I will take. I will finish this speech and we will go to the flow chart. Flow chart is easy, so I am not taking more time for that. It is easier for you, I know. 1 minute more. Yes, right. You can see here, my dear children, so many speeches are there. Okay, already I sent you the link. Is it visible? Hello. Hello. Yes, thank you. See here, speech rating means this is introduction, this is the conclusion part, this is question, means in mind alli ide nimdu topic. This one you will by heart and write introduction and the conclusion. What about the middle part? Okay, it depends on you. Nimma kaiyalla iruvanthadu anta. So my dear children, do well, write well. Okay, see there, as I stand here to address you all, the first thought that comes in my mind is that International Word Day. You can write anything, it doesn't mean, okay, it depends on you. It's my a great honor for me to introduce, see this is introducing. Okay, welcome speech idu our chief guest Mr. Dhanush, an IAS officer of 2011-2020 first batch, hailing from Davangere. Okay, Miss Dhanush has started his career an account after her MCom. Now he is doing commerce. After commerce, BCom afterwards MCom from Davangere University. Okay, enough this one. Hope you understood this. Okay. Okay. Let me go to another topic, which is our one more topic, today's topic. Yes, flow chart. Okay, let me start without wasting our time. Already only hardly 15 minutes are there. See, flow chart is a very dead easy. It is for how many marks? Answer me fast. Fast answer madi. It is for how many marks? See, yes, 4 marks. Very good. Right answer is 4. See, yes, very good. Very good. It is for 4 marks. Total 8 dashes are there. 8 fill in the blanks will come. Each box carries half marks. Other the marks. So total 8 you should write. Okay. It is very easy. Flow charts will help you to understand, my dear children. 1 minute you give me. This is speech over. Now we are going to, okay, write the flow chart. Please read and answer me the question. Answer me first. What is the first answer? The term resource is derived from, the term resource is derived from. What is the first answer? Let me see now. Somebody has answered or what? Hello, answer me. Answer me first. Amulya, Abhishek. First answer. Is it visible? Not visible, sir. Matte heli alva? No, sir. Wait then. Okay, no problem, no problem. Enta time? Yes, 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 yes. Now everything is visible. Yes, yes, yes. Come back. What is the first answer? Tell me fast. Pata 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 muksi. The term resource is derived from French. It means tools. What is the first answer? Let me check some of them. French is the first answer. First answer is French. Right answer. First answer is French. Very good. Second answer. Second answer, tools. Very good. Very good. Third answer, source of energy present on the earth deposits. Source of the energy present on the earth deposits. I will change my ink. Yes. Source of the energy present on the earth deposits. What? Deposits. Hide. Total 3 dashes are there. 3 the dashes. So 3, 4, 5. Answer me. Very good. Very good. Third answer is coal. Coal is the third answer. Then crude oil is the fourth answer. Then natural gas is the fifth answer. Is there any doubt in this, my dear children? Yes. Very good. Moving fast. Very good. Very good. Third question over. Fourth over. 6, 7, 8. Let me see. I didn't read it, so I am waiting for you. Basic needs of existence. Basic needs of existence. Basic needs ಏನು ಅಂತ. Give me a moment, okay? Very good. You are doing well. All are doing well. Very good. Very good. What intelligence. Bada ಒಳ್ಳೆ food ತಿಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. Very good. 7th, 6th answer is air. Then the answer is soil. Then the last 8th answer is what? 8th answer, Anupama. Yes, gives us a food. Okay, air, water, and air, soil, such as air. Wait a minute. Existence such as air, water, and soil. See, only 3 answers. Not food. Not food. 6th answer is air. Then answer is water. Then answer is soil. Is it clear? Is it clear? Very good, Aditi. Right, all 3 answers are right. All 3 answers. Oil from where? Yes, very good, very good. Yes. Shall we move to next clip? Okay, next question. Check your answers. Check your answers. See here. First one answer is French. Then tools, right answer. Then the coal, crude oil, natural gas, air, water, soil. All answers are right. 4 out of 4. All. Very good. Answer me first. Answer me. Answer me. The word ocean. Very good. Pacific, Aditi. First answer Pacifica. I will check it. The different water bodies of the world, the oceans. Yes. Namely, the Pacific is the first answer. Very good. Right answer is Pacific. Pacific is the right answer. Very good. Then, second answer is Indian. Huh? Let me see. Where is the second one? Here. See, my dear children, this you should not misguide yourself. 1 afterwards 4 is there. Here 2 here. Illi 2 ಇದೆ. Atlantic, Indian. Very good. Indian is the second answer. INDIAN. Very good. Very good. Then hello, answer me. Third answer is Antarctic. That is Arctic actually, Bhumika. As well as, sorry, right answer. Antarctic Ocean, Bhumika, right answer, beta. Antarctic. Antarctic Ocean. Very good, very good. Then, fourth answer is North Sea. Na? The boarding seas include North Sea. Very good. Who's that? First candidate? Abhishek Beuru. No. Abhishek. North Sea. Who is the first one? Yes, Beuru only. Abhishek Beuru. Yeah. Abhishek Beuru. First answer, yours is right, man. North Sea. North Sea. Very good. North Sea. Then answer is what? Mediterranean Sea. Very good. Mediterranean Sea. Whose answer? Mediterranean Sea. Very good. Apeksha. Very good. Right answer, Apeksha. Very good. Last sixth answer is what? Caribbean Sea. Very good. Right answer. Caribbean Sea. Next one. Next one. Some features of the oceans. Some features of the oceans. Okay, containing dash and dash. Dash and dash. Salty water and very good. Salty water and restless seabeds. Let me check your answers, whether right or wrong. Yes, right answer, right answer. Shall we check? 1 minute, you give me 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Mil gaya. Let me check your all answers. Very good. Pacific is right. Then Indian is right. Antarctic is right. Then North Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Caribbean, salty, restless. Very good. All answers are right. 4 out of 4. 4 pe 4. Chakka. Okay, Chauka, not Chakka, I think. Huh? I don't know. Chakka ne alva. Yes. Next one. Do it fast. Last one this is. Okay, last one. Do it. Actually, this is not an answer, okay? This is empty box. Empty. First one is Udpal Aditi. Let us see. Paper are discovered at present made from very good. First answer is in last line. Very nice. Only one has a see, very good, very good. See, this is the, so I am saying you, many of them what they decide, A flow chart is easy, no? First line dash you will get in first line, second line dash you will get in second box dash you will get in second line. It is not like that. Okay, right answer is wood pulp. Very good. Then discovered by. You are very faster than me. Very good. Third AD 105 is the right answer. Third AD 105 is the right answer. Third one. Third AD 105. Second one we did not write now. What is the answer? Second one. 1 minute. 1 minute. What is your second answer? Indian. Discovered by. That is a person name. Howdalva? Yes, very good. Person name. Tilan. Then. Very good. Very good. Move fast. Very good. Very good. Then fourth answer is parchment. Let us see then. Parchment. Documents before written on. Written on. Yes. Very good. Written on parchment and very good. At a time answer you should write both of this. This is parchment answer. This is vellum. Vellum. Howdalva? At a time written on and anta ide alva, both answers. Very good. Then my dear children, made from the skin of made from the skin of, answer me, sheep, goats and sheep. Where is that? Goats or sheep and not or sheep. Very good. This is goats, this is sheep. Very good, very good, very good. Eighth one, calf. These vellum are made from the skin of, very good, skin of calf. It is here. CALF. Let us check your all answers. Okay. Let me check now. Give me a time. Give me a moment of time. Very good. Very good. You are moving fast. Very fast means very fast. Not right now. Wood pulp is the first answer. No. Wood pulp. To check it. I am asking. First one is wood pulp, right answer. Second one right. 105 right. Parchment right. Vellum right. Goats right. Sheep right. Calf right. Very good. Very good. Right answers. All right answers. 4 out of 4. One thing you should remember, my dear children. Over, right? Over. This is over. One thing you should remember. In exam, you should draw this flow chart. This flow chart na baribeku. Draw madbeku. For example, just imagine this is your question paper. Houdalva? No need to write this passage. This passage bari avashyakate illa in exam. No need to write. But you should write in exam what 33 main. What is the main question of this flow chart? Let me see now. Yaar ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? 30 na? Question number 30 or 31? Which one? Let me see who will answer this. Let us see. Pakka 31? Very good. 31. Very good. Yes. See, in exam what you will write? Question number 31 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು you will draw this first. You will draw this. This to draw ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. After that, listen my dear children. Okay. You should draw these boxes also. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು box. Okay. You should draw boxes. And one more thing, you should not write more than 3 words. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು sentence ಪೂರ್ತಿ sentence ಬರೀತಾವ್ರೆ. You should not write. That is the wrong way. Okay. ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ, that is a very right thing. Very good. In short, because they had given this is 1 marks questions. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? These are the 1 marks questions. You should write it neatly, slowly. Hope today everyone is very happy because today is yours day, burgers day. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Yes. Very happy today you are. Okay, enjoy. Hope you will get out marks in flow chart also, and in the speech rating. For speech rating, I told you, please do more practice. Practice. Okay, without practice you won't get anything. Practice ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ that much you will become perfect in speech rating. Okay, thanks for joining online class. Okay, hope you will get the very good marks. Let us discuss some more interesting topics tomorrow. Okay, all the best. Eat well, sleep well, drink hot water. Health is wealth. Hope you all are fine. Keeping in this mind, I will finish today's session. Thank you so much once again. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you all. Bye, 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 bye. See you soon. See you. See you tomorrow with some more interesting topics. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, bye. See you soon. Okay. Thank you so much.